Welcome to HVAC Repair Raleigh, West Oregon, right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right now heating and cooling is the best choice if you're searching for reliable HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors in your neighborhood. We offer services for residential and commercial buildings. We have more than 25 years of expertise in the HVAC repair and heat pump installation business and are able to handle the most challenging HVAC repair and heat pump installation issues. Our HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors and technicians are extremely skilled in all aspects of the cooling and heating industry. They offer outstanding service, with exceptional results, great customer service, and affordable prices. Every member of our team takes great pride in keeping up to date in all codes and cutting-edge technology to ensure your family and home healthy. No matter how difficult or large the job is, we are happy with doing what we do. This is evident in our high-quality workmanship. From small repairs to cooling and heating to major central heating and cooling system installations, our HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors can help. We only employ factory-trained technicians. They're among the top in the industry, so you can be assured that your job will be completed correctly the first time. With Right Now Heating and Cooling, we expect to maintain our relationship even after your new equipment has been installed or fixed. Our ongoing maintenance will ensure your unit is running efficiently, without causing any disruptions. Our services include heat pump installation, heat pump repair, air conditioner installation, HVAC installation, HVAC repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation, and various other services. Our philosophy is to provide the most competitive price with qualified HVAC repair technicians. We also stand behind the work we do with a 100% guarantee of workmanship. If you need any heating or cooling repair, or installation services in your home or workplace, our HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors are ready to help you. We provide pricing options for every repair/expert guaranteed work. We offer emergency and weekend services in addition to warranties for all parts and labor. Visit our website, or phone us at 503-300-6124.